Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore custom shape percentage circle indicator in Photoshop. Create a new document in Photoshop, select the custom shape tool and choose a circle shape from the shape picker. Now draw a large circle in the center, change fill color to light gray and duplicate the circle using Ctrl plus J. Now resize the duplicate slightly smaller. Also change its color to green, use edit transform scale to reduce weight. This creates a progress look, add percentage text in the center text using move tool around both shapes properly, zoom in to refine edges, check balance visually, progress indicator looks modern, custom shapes complete in